This is Wednesday evening, the 10th day of June 2026. Good evening, everyone. There are so many things that happen in Nigeria today, but there are three shocking things that I want us to look into. Because, these three things that I choose to analyze in this video is very shocking. And first of all, let us return back to Edo State. Earlier, I reported about the DSS Intel, the Department of State Service. They gave a secret memo that there will be a terrorist attack on schools in Edo North. So that will lead to the mass adoption of students. So because of that, they released the names of people who they were arrested to say people who were conducting, the operation. They have not come or they are, trying to survey the area. One is Nuhu, one is Bawa. They are from Zamfara State. They are Fundani people. So the SS have already arrested them. But that is not the problem. The problem is that the Edo State Governor, Mr. Monday Okpebono, has reacted to the incident. He said that the schools will be shut down for now. And that is always the mission of these people. I've told you people right from time. Their mission is that Western education is prohibited. So they targeting schools is not just to get the government's attention. It is an act of war, against anything that is contrary to what they believe in. Now, there is something that the governor said today. Like, I have seen the governor make some statements that doesn't make sense right from time. But today's own, if I am God, I will just cease his breathing. But God can never be a man. God can never be a man. But if I am God, I will cease that man breathing. Now, what did he say? He said that even though the whole Edo State people were kidnapped, even though all his citizens in Edo State are kidnapped, that there is no vacancy in the Aso Rock. Like, the thing shocked me. Even though the whole Edo State people are kidnapped, no vacancy in Aso Rock. Like, what is the value of human beings in Nigeria? Like, what is the value of human beings? What are we talking about? Even though everybody in Edo State are kidnapped, no vacancy in Aso Rock. You know what that means? It means that these people don't actually care whether you die, whether you live. What they're after is retaining power about the election. But I have a message for all of us. Any slave that refuses to rebel does not deserve pity. Any slave that does not rebel does not deserve pity. I have seen a lot of folks. If you talk about this issue of insecurity, they will tell you APC is everywhere. One of my friends posted today that in their community in Ikanoti Sigbodo, that all these bandits are kidnapping, that politicians are not interested. Politicians are not helping them. You know what some of them commented? They said Igbodo is APC. The man was talking about kidnapping issue. People are telling him that his community is APC. That there is not, even though he's saying all those things he's saying, that APC will still win in his community. Like, something is wrong with us. Something is actually wrong with us. Like, something is wrong with us. I've ever questioned the mentality of black men, especially we Nigerians. I've ever questioned our mentality, our IQ. You will see someone who has 2 PhDs, who have 3 master's degree, who is a graduate, but the person reason with his anus. The person reason like a monkey. Like, what is actually wrong with us? Anyway, that is the first thing that, shocked me today. The second thing that shocked me is that the terrorists, aka bandits, you can call them ISWAP, Boko Haram, they are all the same. They invaded school in southern Kaduna. You people don't know why these people are attacking schools. They invaded school in southern Kaduna, shouting Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. And they said that before they shot the vice principal dead, they shot him dead. Before they shot him dead, they said they don't need Western education again. Before they shot the vice principal dead, they said they don't need the Western education again. People don't still understand what is going on. But many people are beginning to wake up. Many people are beginning to wake up little by little. Don't die a coward. This war is moving fast. Don't die a coward. Understand the trend. Understand the destination. Understand where these people are going. Understand where these people are going. And that is why so many people from a federal constituency, Agbo, Edo North there is not far from Agbo. This is not because these terrorists are not in Agbo, but they have not started attacking. But they are there. So it is a trend, downward trend. They know how they are going. They know how they are moving. So this thing is going to get to so many places. But how you are going to survive is your preparation. How are you preparing for it? Thank God that a lot of people are awake today. Like, it is also shocking that no government officials have commented about it. The terrorist stormed a school, shot dead a vice principal, and no government official commented on it. Even the local government chairman from there did not comment on it. Everybody, you are on your own. Like, I hate to come from this place. I hate to come from this place. And that is why I'm telling people that if you're afraid of war, get ready to die. Because this war is coming and we must fight it. Yes. No matter where you are in diaspora, you are here. Prepare to come back home very soon. Because it is going to happen. It is going to happen. And you see, the politicians, they deserve rebels. They deserve rebels. But how can some people be in the bush? Like, your constituents are in the bush. And you are going now to do political things, to campaign. Right from time, I warn people about psycho conditioning. Or you can call it adaptation. Where you will come out and adapt to evil, you come out to adapt to bad thing, you are psycho conditioned to evil going on, you come to believe that it is a normal thing. You know you are dead. Most Nigerians are dead. They are just a walking corpse. If you believe that what is going on in Nigeria now is normal, if you believe it is normal, you are dead. You are totally dead. Anyway, that is for that. May the soul of the vice principal rest in peace. It's so unfortunate. His only crime is that he was born and brought up in Nigeria, a country of a particular concern, an Islamic republic, where they are trying to subject everyone into one religion, one Sharia law, and, to mention but few. Only country that have two laws, two governments. You are paying tax to the bandits, paying tax to the government. You have Sharia law that the terrorists control. You have Sharia law that so many people, even people who are of Islamic religion, believe the same thing that the terrorists also believe. Then you still have Nigerian constitution. And these things are going pari passu. They are going side by side. It's unfortunate. However, let us look into the third shocking something today. Cameroonian soldiers invaded Nigeria. Cameroonian soldiers invaded Nigeria and they started threatening the residents. Take a look.
I will video you, okay? You don't do anything. I will video you. I will video you, cannot do anything. Don't put anything again. I will video you. This is our line. I will video you. Why you cross border? Someone will video you. I will video you. You cannot do anything. I will video you, cannot do anything. I will video anybody.
Just go.
This thing can only happen in a place that has no territorial integrity. Another country's soldier invaded Nigeria, and up till now, nobody, no response. Like why are we here? Why are we in this country? Why are we here? What is the meaning of this? There is no longer Nigeria. What you are seeing is a pseudo country. There is no longer Nigeria. Forget about it. See, when I talk, I don't talk because of what happened. What happened is not just a result of something that is wrong. Do you get it? Everything that is going on is as a result of something that is already wrong with the system. Cameroon soldiers invading Nigeria supposed not to be the issue, but what was the response? Like, what was the response of the Nigerian government? Another military is already in your country. They can come, they can go out, no border control, nothing. And people don't know where Tinubu is driving you people to. People don't know where the APC government are driving you people to. But you see, I pray that it is not going to be too late before you realize that you have no place to call your home. It's unfortunate.